Okay, now it is the time to reassemble the group with the side. So you have to let correspond this pin in the metallic ring so that it can be inserted in this groove. And so you have to insert in this way. Allora. Qua. No. Okay, one side. Then you can turn and do the same with the other side. I left the screw inside so I don't lose. Okay, you can screw. You must, more than can. Okay. Alt, wait a second. Remember to place the hydraulic connection in this seat here. Okay, and then you can screw back the two parts, the two sides of the group together. One. Non ci vedo, due, two. Three. And four. Okay, so now it's time to place back the guide here. One and two. Okay, so the flat side must be in contact with this guide, the flat side of this part with this one. And so the next, you can place back the top piston, okay, so that the gear, can you see that on the top piston support too there are this one, okay, so you have to insert in this in this way, okay, so it corresponds. I forgot to show you how to open the top piston. So you have a big screw on top. In the top piston, what you have to take care is that in the left side where the outlet for the coffee stays, in the piston there is no ring. When you open the top piston here, you just find the shower and the screw, so there is nothing in particular. And this gasket too. So back here, so O-ring on the side of the delivery pipe for the coffee. Okay, one and two. So, as I showed you before, this one has to enter in position here, okay? So, this pin must go inside this cam, okay? And so you can reassemble the side here. So, one, and before I suggest you to place even the ejector. So the ejector, you know that here you have two pins. The two pins must be inserted in this groove in his seat. So in this way, can you see? One and two. And so be back flat as it is now. And so you can place back the support. One 2, and 3. Same on the other side. One, two, and 3. The handle. And it is done. Everything moves correctly inside the group.